Hey, what's going on, guys? Sorry my floor is fucking filthy, but as you can see here, I got these sweet pedal covers, and they are actually a Dodge Dart official part. These are MOPAR parts. I don't know if they came with the MOPAR 13 version of the Dart or what, but you can get these possibly at your local dealer, more likely online. I got them from a dealer, I don't know in what state, but they go on fairly easy. Some of them go on fairly easy. That's my GoPro beeping. We're not recording this on the GoPro. So the clutch pedal is just gonna, I'm probably not gonna pull these off because they're easy, but they're not easy enough to the point where I'm gonna just pull them off and slip them back on. So hold on, let me grab the old ones. And actually the old ones are gonna come off a lot easier than these new ones, because the old one is completely metal. I mean, not completely metal. The old one is completely rubber, so it's malleable, pliable, whatever the word is, easily bendable. And all you're gonna do is bend, or these edges wrap around the actual pedal itself. So you're just gonna pull those up like this the whole way around, and that will slide off. And then you're gonna have to stretch the rubber on the new pedal, the new pedal cover, around the actual pedal. And then moving on to the brake, this one is actually the toughest one, and I'm definitely not pulling that one off. So the old one comes off fairly easy. It has this side piece right here. You'll pull that to like the side like that, and then pull the top towards you and down. So really you just pull the top, like there's a little gap right here, just grab that and pull towards you and down, and that should slide right off. And getting the new one on though, that's going to be a pain in the ass, because it's got this thing right here that has to go through a hole in the actual pedal, the metal pedal. And then the actual pedal, it's tiny. It's way smaller than the clutch pedal. So there's like a little plate, and it has to go down in here. So this little thing is probably you're gonna have to bend it to get it into the hole and still be able to get to the like plate down in there. But once you do that, some extreme manpower, just fucking slap it up and it's good to go. The accelerator just snaps on, but doesn't just snap on. You're gonna have to apply some extreme pressure once again, but yeah, you don't have to take anything off. And these feel a whole lot better than the rubber pedals. My foot, like, you know, I'm a mailman, so I'll be out walking in the rain and shit, and when I get in my car, my foot slips off of these like easily. Doesn't happen with these. It's got a little grip. It's gross. I wonder if I can replace these pedals. Probably. But yeah, that's all I got for you guys today. Stay tuned for more. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, give it that solid thumbs up. I got more stuff coming for you. As you can see, I got some wires hanging down here. We'll let that remain unknown for now. But yeah, smash that like button. Fucking smash that subscribe button. Your boy will be back with more sweet content for you guys. Thanks. Peace.